Hello guys and welcome to Alma Crush Repair Center. We have a Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit 1986. What we got in this car, we got the back window screen all around it rusty. So we have to take the window off and then inspect the rust, and then we have to see if the rust gone through. So we'll cut all around and then we'll replace it with a new piece of metal. And we got another damage on the side, on the wheel arch, on the quarter panel as well. That's we need to do, and blending the back door on this car. job has been completed into the Rolls Royce, as you've seen through the video what was involved into that car. So all around the window screen was rusty. We cut the rust and then we replaced it with a new piece of metal. We welded it back, we put filler and primer, and the car has been painted. The window screen has been, we put it back on, and the chrome around the rubber that goes on as well. Then the offside wheel arch was damaged, that's been repaired and painted as well. We blend it into the door. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it.